Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing section 2.5, which is about applying the distributive property of multiplication. The main concept is when you have something like a number and a product of a sum or difference. So when you have something like this, you distribute the multiplication. So in this case, plus a times plus b is ab, because the two real numbers have the same sign. The product is positive, and then plus a times plus c, that's plus ac. Okay, and this in this second case, we have plus a times plus b, that's ab, and then plus a times minus c, that's minus ac. Okay, so also when you have an algebraic expression such as minus 4 plus 3x plus 8 minus 2x, these are called terms. Minus 4, 3x, 8, minus 2x, they're called terms. Minus 4 and 8, they're called constants because they don't change. The coefficients are the numbers before the variable term expression, variable term. So before x, here we have minus 2, and here before plus 3x, we have plus 3. So like terms, we call these here the terms that you can add up, such as minus 4 and 8, and then 3x and minus 2x. Those are called like terms. So all of them are called terms. The like terms are the ones that you can add up. The coefficients are the numbers before the variable part of the term, and then you have the constants such as minus 4 and plus 8. All right, so let's start solving problems. So number one, decide whether the statement is true or false. If it is false, rewrite the right-hand side of the equation so that the statement is true. So in this case, 9 times, and in parentheses we have 1 plus 4. So this is 9 times 1 plus 9 times 4. So this is incorrect because we have to have 9 times 4 right here. So not just 4, but 9 times 4. Okay. Number two, we have 10 times x, and then plus 3 times 6. 10 plus 6 plus 3 times 6. So this is also incorrect. This should not be 10 times 3, but 3 times 6. Okay. Then number three, we have 15 times 8 minus 15 times 3. So this is correct. Number four, we have 18 times 2. This is incorrect. This needs to be 18 times 2, and then minus 5 times 2, which this is the correct part, but this here instead of 18 should be 18 times 2. Number 5 through 10, use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression. So for number 5, we have plus 3 times plus 6, that's 3x. And then plus 3 times plus 5, that's plus 15. Okay. Number 6, we're multiplying x with 6, so that's 6x. And then we're multiplying 2 with 6, that's 12, plus 12. And number 7, to spell it out, let me spell this one out so you understand. So minus 2, we multiply that with x, and then we have minus 2 times plus 9. Or this is minus 2x minus 18. Okay. 8, let's spell this out again. So we have x times minus 1 plus 10 times minus 1, or this is minus x and minus 10. Okay. Number 9, we have 4x minus 24. For 10, we have minus 3x and plus 3. Why plus 3? Because minus 3 times minus 1, we have two real numbers with the same signs. The product is positive. Minus 3x plus 3 is the answer. 11 through 16, identify the terms, like terms, coefficients, and constant terms of the expression. What are the terms? All of them are the terms. 2x, 5x, 1. Coefficients are 2 and 1. So 2 and 1. So let me write it here. Coefficients are 2 and 1. 2 in front of the x, and then 1 in front of the x. There's always 1. We don't write the 1, right? Because 1 times x is x. Constant terms 5 and 1. So constant terms are 5 and 1. And that's it. Okay, for number 12, what are the terms? 18 plus 2y minus 1 plus 3y. Those are the terms. The coefficients are plus 2 and plus 3. The coefficients are the numbers before the variable part of the term. And constant terms, 18 and minus 1. For 13, the terms are 8x plus 4 minus 3x plus 7. The coefficients are 8 and minus 3. Constant terms are plus 4 plus 7. Okay. Number 14, the terms are 21 minus 8x minus 4 plus 9x. The coefficients are minus 8 and plus 9. And the constant terms are 21 and minus 4. Okay. 15. The terms are 2x squared minus 3 plus 5x squared plus 10. The coefficients are 2 plus 5. And the constant terms are minus 3 plus 10. And number 16, what are the terms? The terms are minus 3x squared plus 1 plus 8x squared and minus 5. The coefficients are minus 3 and plus 8. And the constant terms are plus 1 and minus 5. 17 through 22 simplify the expression. Here we have 8x plus minus 12x. We are adding up two like terms. Which one is greater, 12 or 8? 12 is greater, so we have minus, and then 12 minus 8 is 4x. So minus 4x is the answer. 18, we are adding up two like terms. Which one is greater, 17 or 9? 17 is greater, so we have plus, and then 17 minus 9 is 8x. 19, which one is greater, 15 or 1? 15 is greater, so we have plus, and then 15 minus 1 is 14x. 20, what are the like terms? Well, 3 and 1 are the like terms. So we have 6x, and then 3 plus 1 is 4, so plus 4. 6x plus 4. 21, what are the like terms? 8x and 2x. So 8x plus 2x, we're adding up two positive terms. So 8 plus 2 is 10x, and then plus 5. Okay. 22, we're applying the distributive property. So we're multiplying 2 with x, that's 2x. 2 with plus 4, that's plus 8, and plus 7x. Adding up like terms, 2x and 7x, that's 9x, and plus 8. 23, necklaces. You are making necklaces using two different colors of stone beads. Stone A costs 0.07, that's 7 cents per bead, and stone B costs 5 cents per bead. You need 50 beads to complete a necklace. The equation is this one, provided to us, gives the total cost of C as a function of the number n of stone A beads used. Find the total cost if you use 35 stone A beads. Okay, so n is 35. So n is 35. We just have to plug in n, 35 for n in this equation. So we get 0.07 times n, which is 35, plus 0.05, and then 50 minus n is 35. So C equals, and then let's use the calculator for this one. So we have 0.07 times 35, that's 2.45, and then plus we have here 0.05 times 50 minus 35 is 15, that's 0.75, or the total cost is $3.2. Okay. 24, hiking socks. A local sports store is selling its hiking socks for $2 off the regular price. $2 off the regular price. So if the regular price is R, 2 off is -2. Okay. You buy 3 pairs of these socks, so 3 times this. Write an equation that gives the total cost right there. The total cost is T as a function of the regular cost R of a pair of socks, then find the total cost if the socks regularly cost $10 per pair. So R is $10, T is 3 times, R is 10, so 10 minus 2. T is 3 times 10 minus 2 is 8, or T is $24. Okay. So here we did the multiplication first. 10 minus 2 is 8, so 3 times 8 is 24, but we could have done the distributive property. 3 times 10 is 30, and then 3 times minus 2 is -6. That's also 24. Okay. 25, catalog mailing list. 2 data entry personnel enter addresses for a catalog's mailing list. Person 1 can enter 4 addresses in 1 minute. Person 2 can enter 2 addresses in 1 minute. Use the verbal model below, right, this one, to write an equation that you can use to find out how long it will take the personnel to enter 500 addresses. Let A be the number of addresses entered by person 1. Okay, so total amount of time, T, so that's T. Then rate of person 1, minute versus address. So in 1 minute, the person 1 can enter 4 addresses. Then times number of addresses entered by person 1, that's A, right? A be the number of addresses entered by person 1, so that's A, plus rate of person 2, that's in 1 minute, the second person can enter 2 addresses, times number of addresses entered by person 2. Well, we know that we're gonna enter 500 addresses. That's 500 minus A, what person 1 enters. So the total is going to be 500 of person 1 and person 2 entering addresses. If A is the number of addresses entered by person 1, person 2 enters 500 minus A. So that's the equation for number 25. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.